Hi everybody. We came today. Dre and Brittany's back. Woo! Okay, this is a video to tell you guys why we haven't been making videos. We haven't been making videos because unfortunately Dre is moving back to her home. So there's no more us together as of right now. And she's not speaking because she has had tonsillitis. So therefore she has no tonsils. She just got them taken out last week. So she can't talk and things like that. So we just wanted to inform you guys that yes, we are still going to have a Drea and Brittany show. We're just going to do it differently. We're going to do some combined videos, some separate videos, things like that. Maybe I'll send them to her in her email and she can combine them. Yeah, that's a good idea. So, we miss you guys. We miss doing videos. And, I'm sad that we can't be in the same house because I'm lonely now. What am I gonna do? Anyway, but we just wanted to come and tell you guys. You guys can leave comments and subscribe, and still subscribe, people. We still like subscribers. Please, please, please comment, rate, and subscribe. We need you guys to subscribe, please. So, bye bye for now, and we will talk to you guys later.